What's going on, guys? Welcome to another live video session. It is May 30th, 2023. So before we get started, let's check the news here. So we got some news at 10 o'clock. We might still be in the market then, we might be out by then, so we'll see. We want to trade up gold. And we're going to implement the G.S.A strategy. So first thing I want to do is turn on the cheat code indicator. So current price, we did have a cheat code sell. The price is sticking out of this red Bollinger Band here. So if we were to trade this, we could enter this in if we were scalping, but if we were doing an intraday trade, we would wait for the retest of HMA and do it. So this is actually a good trade for the 1 hour. So now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what is the overall trend. You can clearly see that price is trending downward. Multiple lows has been broken. So we're going to go ahead and draw a trend line. All the way down here. That's what we're going to do. Now we're going to go to the 15-minute time frame and we're going to figure out what is the overall trend. When we look at this last move here, clearly price was trending up. I mean, you can see it, plus multiple highs, previous highs have been broken. So we're going to draw a trend line here. So now we're going to focus on current price. For now, we're going to draw trading ranges. So this move started from this swing low and originated from this swing high. Now, the most recent breaker structure is this high here. I would say this high here, but I'll probably go ahead and say this high here. So I'm going to label this as a bullish trading range. We're going to make this a swing low. And this is our breaker structure right here. Then we're going to take our fib and go from the most recent low to the most recent high. And so we can see that price did reject this 6180 area. So price probably might come down to 23.60 to the 38.20. So what I'm going to do in this situation is I'm going to take the rectangle tool and I'm looking for price to at least maybe come down to this area. It already rejected the 6180, so it could do a hard pullback to the 50% or down to this level and push out. That's what I'm kind of looking at. So when I take the fib out, now I'm going to turn on the 2-point indicator. And we actually see that price is kind of sticking out of this Bollinger Band just a little bit. So there's a possibility that price could stick out and maybe buy up to this area. That's what I'm thinking in my mind at this moment. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the 9:15 candle to close, which that will be, excuse me, in over 10 in a little bit over 10 minutes, and then we'll make a decision on what trade we're going to do. Okay, so stay tuned. So we have a little bit over 20 seconds before the 9:15 candle closes. So I see that this wick stuck out of this Bollinger Band, so it's going to probably go for a decent buy. So I'm just going to plan on buying. I plan on buying all the way up. Plan on buying all the way up until, let's see how much is this. Right over 100% plus points. That's if price goes all the way down to here and then buys that. Now, if it goes from this candle, which is all the way up to here, then I'm getting at least all the way up to here. Yeah. That's going to be my TP then. TP1, this is over 770 plus credits. This one, yeah. That's what I want to kind of shoot for. I might shoot in this candle and maybe buy all of it to here. So let me go ahead and set my alerts and then we'll move to the next step. Set my alerts. Now, price could sell a little bit more down in here and then go up. That could happen. So this is basically excuse me. So we have less than 11 minutes or a little bit over 10 minutes before the 9:30 candle closes. So then when the 9:30 candle closes, we just want to strictly watch price action and just wait to see what price does and see if we can get ourselves a good exit. It'll be like that. All right, so it's 8:29. Now, it's a possibility that price could be retesting this HMA and it might sell some more down to this Bollinger Band. So we're going to have to watch price real carefully because price could do a short counter trend sell and then maybe go up, and that's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the stop loss and take profit for the buy. That way, when price starts to hit that Bollinger Band and starts to buy it up, I can take and buy. That's what I'm planning on doing unless I see different, unless my biases change. All right. Now the 9:30 candle is closing. And now we're going to strictly focus on price action. The HMA is really pushing down, so price might actually be wanting to sell. But I'll have to wait and see and look what he's doing. So I'm gonna just wait for a couple minutes here. See, you got a Bollinger Band right here. So that's what I'm kind of paying attention to. See, it looks like it's kind of ripping out this area too. But yeah, anyway. Sit in our hands and wait. Might do one false move to sell, pick this Bolger down and then buy that. That's what I'm thinking. It sticks out, if it passes the Bolger band and sticks out, then I'm waiting for that cheap code buy. And if that activates, then I'm gonna get in for that buy. So that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, see, it's kind of looking out on that area, so it's kind of holding. We have 10 o'clock news as well. Let me check real quick here. Yeah, we have 10 o'clock news as well. We'll see what it's doing. If the news candles turn into a buy with a cheap post signal, then I'm probably going to jump in. That's if it's not too volatile. see. I'm gonna see it stick out of that Bollinger Band. The cheap coat by. That's what I want. We have a little bit over 7 minutes before that news candle close. Now it's starting to stick out of that Bollinger Band. A little bit. That's what I'm looking at. So we have less than 6 minutes. Now we got less than 5 minutes. We're a bit over 4 minutes. A little bit over 3 minutes now. Come on, baby, stick out that Bollinger Band and give me a Chico bot. then I know it's go time. So it's starting to stick out of that Bollinger Band a little bit. A little bit over 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes now. Looks like we're really rejecting that Bollinger Band. We'll go over a minute now. It looks like it's sticking out of that Bollinger Band now, just a little bit more. Less than 30 seconds now. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now the news candle closed. I'm sorry. We got another 15 minutes before the news candle closed. That's 10 o'clock. The 9:45 candle closed. But now it looks like price is sticking out of the Bollinger Band now. That's what I'm looking at. So we got another 15 minutes or so. Well, we got less than 14 minutes. Price stuck out of this Bollinger Band just a tad bit. not too much. But we'll see where we're at by within 13 minutes, maybe 12. We got a little bit over 12 minutes. Trying to get a nice decent sell, penetrating sell on this guy. We got a little bit over 11 minutes now. Less than 11 minutes now. We got less than 10 minutes now. So it looks like it's sticking out of the Bollinger Band now. A little bit over 9 minutes left. Check something real quick here. This 10 minutes, trade forward, being now swinging here. It sticks out in that Bollinger Band, that's about one. We have a little bit over 8 minutes. So we have a little bit over 7 minutes now. We got less than 7 minutes now. It's sticking out their bones again pretty hard. Well, not super hard, but just a little bit. So you don't get much sticking out. So we have less than 6 minutes now. We're about to be approaching less than 5 minutes now. We have a little bit over 4 minutes now. Just to just real quick here. We got less than 3 minutes, or well, a little bit over 2 minutes. So once we hit a minute left, we're going to switch to trading view screen. Right, so you got about a minute left now before the news candle and price is sticking out of that Bollinger Band. It's really sticking out of that boat, and then it's starting to stick out of that Bollinger Band. So let's see. Three, two, one. See code buy. When price starts to shoot up, we're gonna go in for it. We got to see code buy, people. Let's wait for it. Got it right here. It starts to buy up and get some momentum and get in. Until it starts pumping up first. That's what I'm waiting for. You got that cheap code buy. Step first. So price decides to go up. Don't wait till it's ready to go. Taking this time, I tell you. Might start to buy up on the next candle. The way we're gonna sit our hand away until that candle start moving. Next candle will not pump out. But see what this means here, I don't think it really affects prices much. So it might not make prices volatile. But we got a cheap code buy. So the next candle it might pump out. But it's going to buy. Give me some momentum around in there. I'm in there. Just to make sure the buy trade. Let's see what we get. is moving. Moving on up. Talking about $93. Trying to reach for 100, but it's all good. The price is finally starting to move. So let me go ahead and document the results here. And then I'll share those results with you. Be right back. All right, so I believe we got in somewhere up in here. Price bottom feel good. And about 350 points, so that's good. So let me go ahead and share the results with you. Get my phone screen here. So as you can see, this is my live account NBFX. And here's my profit. So they took $5 in charges. So I made $93.44. Boom, love it. But yeah, we got ourselves a decent buy here. And we looked at the computer screen. Possibility of price could buy it to the Bolger band and then sell down. But we got ourselves a nice, decent, cheap buy here. So yeah, we get on this session. The strategy works like a charm. So that's it for this New York session, guys. See you later.